Yeah, we're gonna have to get out of here. There's cops.
Where?
Do you see blue lights? I saw blue lights. Keep recording. Are you still recording?
Yeah, but I want to sit.
Well, come and light one.
Where they at? I don't see no cops.
If you shoot at me, I'm really going to pick you. You will go down. And your family. Yeah. And my dog. And your jacket.
The little redneck down there had night vision down to the fucking right.
Yeah. That's fine.
Oh God! Oh! 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 I feel like we're getting in trouble.
I feel like I want to sit.
Are you still recording? Just get this out of the way. Alright. Find the fuse, yeah. Find the fuse. Find the fuse. There it is. Put your flashlight up here. Face, fan-shaped effect. Place this side facing spectators.
Run away!
Boom! Happy New Year!
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
I moved all the other stuff over here.
Come here, Odin. Can I start recording?
Yes.
Hey. Give me a stick.
Happy New Year! Whoa!
Aw, you didn't bring them all. Can I throw this?
Yo, ladies and gentlemen, we're on top of the world, North Mountain. You can see Lexington over in the distance. I actually can't see shit. You see little polka dots? Those are houses. Yeah, yeah, boy. Adrian Fridley.
Hi.
Ashley.
I'm gonna trip on my dog.
Harry. Oh, there's a car coming.
Never mind.
Oh shit, hide. Hide in the bushes.